Hello everyone, how are you today? Do you remember Google Browser last video we introduced to you? Now we will introduce its surface and its function for you to be more familiar with it. And now let's start it. I will introduce Customize and Control button and introduce what is tab, what is record, and how to zoom in or zoom out the interface, and how to change theme, font size, and languages, and what is bookmark. First, every function of Surface starts with Customize and Control. Open your Google Chrome into the web home. You can see a button at the upper right corner. Click it, and every function of the surface will appear. Let's see the sample video. Click this button, and every function of the interface is appeared. You can see many options, and I will introduce tab first. Click here or press Ctrl and T, and you can see a new tab. You can use two tabs to do something different in the web browser. Like here I search for NCKU, and here I can search for another thing like Malaysia. You can see different searching results. You can open the tab in different way, like that. Just click here. The new tab will show up immediately. Another function like tab is called window. See the computer screen first. Click here or press Ctrl and N. Now, an additional web browser picture shows up in the screen. You can use it when you open many of tabs already. A window can assist you to distinguish two them. And last function of tab is incognito window. Click here or press Ctrl and Shift and N. You can see a new window. And this window will not leave any search record. And you can search anything that everyone could not know that. Let's see the sample video. Click New tab first. And a new tab is already appeared. And you also click this button directly. And now I click New Window. And a new window is appeared. Next, I click New Incognito Window. An incognito window is appeared. Now, it's your turn to practice. You can pause this video and practice. After we introduce the tab, the next function is record. Click here, and here shows about the most recent records you are already searched and closed. When you want to find back something you are close to, just click here and you can find it back. And if you click this button, you will see more about your records. Let's see the sample video. Click History. And here shows about the history. And click this button. More about the history disappear. Now it's your turn to practice. You can pause this video and practice. What function I will introduce now is zoom in and zoom out the interface. Click here to zoom out the interface. Now you can see the interface becomes smaller. Then click here to zoom out the interface. Now you can see the interface become bigger. Let's see the sample video. Click here and click minus button. And you can see the interface becomes smaller. And click plus. And the interface becomes bigger. Now it's your turn to practice. You can pause this video and practice. Now I want to introduce how to change the Google theme. Click here and the page will turn to the next page. Here you can see these options. And click here. Now you can see a lot of things and you can choose which you like. Let's see the sample video. Click the Settings button. Click Appearance. Click Themes. Choose a theme you like and add to Chrome. Now your theme is be changed. Now it's your turn to practice. You can pause this video and practice. And maybe someone thinks the size of text is too large or too small. We can change the text size to optimize. Click the same option as the last function. This time, click another button. Click here. And you can see different text size. Choose the size you want to change. For example, I choose the bigger one. And now the text size is become bigger. And let's see the sample video. Click Settings button. And click Appearance. And change the font size. Now I click very small. And now I click very large. You can see the font size is become large or small. It's your turn to practice. You can pause this video and practice. I will teach you how to change the language now. Click the same option as the last function. Also click another option called Language. Then you can see this button. Click here. Now you can change the language. Let's see the sample video. Click Settings button. And now click Advanced button and click Languages. And choose the languages. Now I change to Malay and click here. And the language is changed now. Now it's your turn to practice. You can pause this video and practice. The last function is Bookmark. It can store the website to let you easy to find it when you want to open it next time. Click the star button behind the website address, and the page becomes to one of Bookmarks. There are another way to set bookmarks. Click Bookmarks and click Add to Bookmark and click Bookmark this tab. And this page is already in the bookmark. You also can show the bookmark in the interface. Click Bookmark and Show Bookmark bar. And the bookmarks will show in the Google interface. Let's see the sample video. I click the star button first and click Done. Or I click Bookmarks and click Bookmark in this tab. Also click Done. And you can see this page is in our bookmarks. And I click Show the Bookmark bar. And you can see the bookmark bar now. And it's your turn to practice. You can pause this video and practice. While we teach the Google surface, there are a lot of advantages. For example, you can see many tabs in the same time, or easy to find back the lost information. You can use record function. And this is the end of this lesson. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.